I know what it feels like to look at your bank account and laugh and then cry. And after that, you start Googling for, searching for jobs, especially the ones that pay in 2 hours. So if I lost everything today and I had to start all over again from zero, here's exactly how I'd do it without begging, borrowing, or lying. My dear, I'm not talking about vibes and affirmations. No. This is survival money, fast, from nothing. And it's for the person who's tired, exhausted, and out of options, but still refuses to lose. And if that's you, listen closely. Because let's face it, let's be honest with each other. Most people never make it out of broke. And it's not because they are lazy. It's because they're busy doing all the wrong things and in the wrong order. So stick around as I share with you what I would do differently if I was broke again. Hi, I'm Miss Muithathi and welcome back to my channel. When I started my hustle era, some time back, I thought all I needed was capital. So I was busy trying to save from gigs, odd jobs, and I sold cakes at 1,500 Kenya shillings, and I used my bus fare to buy icing sugar. I was fighting for my life. I would walk home with cracked eggs in my backpack and tears in my bra. But guess what? I learned something that changed everything for me. And that is, you don't need money to start. You need a money skill. That's where it all begins. Here is the first thing I'd do. I'd go full FBI on what people are already complaining about on WhatsApp, in town, online, or even in busy workplaces like salons and restaurants. You get it. Then, out of that, I'd pick one fast money, high demand painkiller offer that solves it. I know you're there asking like what? Well, something like resume editing for fresh grads, event poster design on Canva, TikToks for small businesses, crash sessions, and something like a debt payoff tracker template. The goal here is not to look busy. The goal is to sell something that people can't ignore. But even with a hot offer, most broke people mess it up right here. Well, here is the sabotage. They wait to be ready. You see me? I'd skip perfection. I'd post that offer on my WhatsApp status, 3 Telegram groups, most Facebook groups, because there are so many. Regardless of what people are saying, oh, Facebook is behind. My friend, when you're looking for money, you have to go all in. And I would also DM people who I know or have an idea that they are struggling with that exact problem. Because you don't just approach anyone. Okay? For example, hey, I'm doing resume for job seekers this weekend. Quick turnaround, 500 Kenya shillings. Let me know if you want one. And that's it. Fast offer, fast feedback, fast cash, no logo, no mood board, and most especially, no niche drama. Okay? So you post that on Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever platform you can get your hands on. Okay? That if you want 30 instant ideas to rewire your money mindset and get out of broke behavior, grab my 300 shillings digital product, my 30 manuscripts, link below. Pair it with a full system, the instant hustle manual with no fluff, just strategies that work for people who are broke, burnt out, or even just brilliant people. All links in the description. Now, once I've sold even one product or service, I would immediately start doing these 3 things. 1, I would upsell. Say something like, if you loved the resume, do you want a LinkedIn profile too? 2, I'd test the pricing. Raise it by, let's say, 200 Kenya shillings and see if they flinch. Okay. And 3, stack clients. You do this by creating urgency. Say something like, only 3 slots left this week, or only 3 slots this week. Then repeat that process with new offers weekly. My dear, you don't need 100 clients. You only need 10 people paying you 1,000 Kenya shillings. Okay? Or just 20 people paying you 500 bob. That right there is your 10K. Okay? But there's one more shift that separates the people who make 10K a day once from the ones who do it every day without begging. In this instant, I'd start building content. Not perfect content, because if we are looking at being perfect, then you'll never get anything done. You'll always be stuck. You'll always find something wrong somewhere. So I wouldn't be making perfect content. Just content that is good enough, documenting my results, lessons, and rants. And that's how you go from broke to hustling, and most especially to being known. Being known is very important, because being known equals trust. Someone cannot trust you without knowing you. So keep that in mind. So known equals trust, trust equals passive sales, and passive sales equals freedom. And that freedom is what we are looking for. Okay. That freedom is what you are looking for. Look, if you're broke right now, you're not stupid. And of course, you're not lazy. You're just trying to win a new game with old rules. So if I had to start from 0 again, I'd sell fast, fail fast, post fast, and rest later. Don't be afraid of failing. When you fail at something, it's a good sign. It means you tried. Okay? And if you want to see exactly how I built this system while broke, tired, and ready to quit, that's what I'll be showing you in my next video. So subscribe now, because this is not the last time I fight my way back, but it might be the first time that you do it with me. I'm Miss Muithathi, your personal finance and investment coach, and I'll see you in my next video.